Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off the Samsung keyboard sound in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now here in sounds and vibration, click on system sound, and here you will see a Samsung keyboard button. So if you want to turn off the Samsung keyboard sound, then turn off this button, and after turning off this button, the Samsung keyboard will not make any sound. But if you want to turn on the Samsung keyboard sound, then just simply tap on this button again to turn it back on. And after turning on this button, when you type with your Samsung keyboard, it will play a sound. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sound in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.